What if your AI could run your entire billing workflow, from client meeting to signed agreement, in one conversation? Meet Anchor's MCP. Anchor's MCP connects Claude directly to your platform, so your AI can create agreements, read your data, amend and send with compliant client approval, and track receivables. It can also report on pricing gaps, flag underbilled clients, and review your entire book of business. Let us show you. One prompt. Anchor's MCP polls the meeting, retrieves the agreement, benchmarks pricing across your portfolio, and generates a complete engagement letter, ready to send. Done. Instantly see who hasn't had a price increase, who's underbilled, where AR is aging, then act on all of it in the same breath. 10 amendments. Sent. Anchor's MCP. Connect it once, let it work.